informational technology. This is classes. We'll do system tech, network and administration, and Kisco and security cloud, database design and management. Possible careers is help desk technician, system analysis, database administrator, database programmer, and network administrator.
Right now are Cisco, Exploring IT, and Systems Tech. And my kids build a network in the classroom right now. That's what you see there. Everything's hands-on. They've built servers. These two kids have built servers in the classroom. And it's a nice workspace. When we're learning, we're sitting at the conference table.
The roadmap to IT certification: beginner novice, CompTIA solutions, CCNA, CCSK, and also CC.